Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino and today we're making shape puzzles. For this activity, you'll just need 4 craft sticks and a coloured marker. So, let's get learning! Look at this shape puzzle that I made earlier. It's a 4-piece puzzle, and when I put the pieces together, what shape does it make? It's a rectangle! Look what I can do with my shape puzzle. Here's my completed shape puzzle. Now with this puzzle, I can divide my rectangle into 2 parts, like this. 1 part, 2 parts. What do you notice about the 2 parts? Can you see that they're both the same size? Yes, they are equal parts. When we have 2 equal parts of a whole shape, do you remember what we call that? These are halves. Let's have another look. These are 2 equal parts, so the rectangle has been divided about halfway. But what if I did this? Have I got 2 parts? Yes, but are they equal? No. So this shows the rectangle divided less than halfway. How about if I divide my shape like this? We have 2 parts, but are they equal? No. This top part is much bigger, isn't it? So we would say this is divided more than halfway. Well, now we know how a shape puzzle works, it's time to make your very own shape puzzle. So, hold up your 4 craft sticks and let's get started. Step 1. Place all 4 craft sticks flat on your table. Step 2. Line them up so that the ends start at the same spot. You should have 4 craft sticks, one on top of the other, all lined up like this. There's a tricky bit coming up, so while you draw your shape in step 3, try your best to keep your 4 sticks in line. You can do this by placing your hand that isn't holding your pencil on top of the sticks and press down nice and firmly. Now we're ready to draw our shape on our shape puzzle. Today, let's draw a square. Remember, a square has 4 sides and they are all equal. Okay, here we go. Step 3. Check your sticks are still lined up and then use a pencil to start drawing a straight line down the sticks, like this. Step 4. Draw a line across. As you draw the second line, look at the length of your first line. The line across should be the same length to make a square. Step 5. Draw side 3. This should go across all the sticks, like this. Be sure you're keeping the sticks still and in line, of course. This is tricky, so press down with your spare hand. Step 6. Draw a straight line across to meet the first line. Can you see a square on your puzzle? Well, now it's time for step 7. Let's colour in our shape with our marker. Use your coloured marker to outline your shape first and then colour it in. Have you completed your shape puzzle? Well done if you have. If not, you can pause it here until you're ready to join in the next activity. Well, now that we've made our shape puzzle, let's divide our square into 2 parts. Let's start by dividing it about halfway. If it's halfway, we're going to need 2 equal parts. So let's move these 2 sticks up and these 2 down. And have a look. Does yours look similar to this? Have you got 2 parts that are equal? If you do, then well done. We've divided our square about halfway. 1 half here and 1 half here. Now, how could you divide your square not into halves? Have a go. If we don't want halves, then we need to divide our shape differently this time. I'm going to move just one stick up and the other 3 down. I've divided my shape less than halfway. Is that what you did too? Well, now let's try to find another way to divide our shape not into halves. Off you go. This time I'll move 3 up and have just 1 down here. So I've now divided my shape more than halfway. If you like making puzzles, grab 4 more sticks and make another puzzle using different shapes. You could make a triangle puzzle, or even a circle puzzle, or a hexagon puzzle, and of course, a rectangle puzzle. How fun! Well, now that you've made your own shape puzzle, you could share it with a friend. Try and put your friend's shape puzzle together, and once you have, you could divide your shape about halfway, less than halfway, and more than halfway. Have fun with your shape puzzles, everyone. Happy learning, and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.